When we were planning out our Vietnam trip, we thought about how to feed our cat Tiger. Right now, Tiger is 9 months old, about 3.6 kg, 8 pounds. He usually eats 60 grams of food a day as we measured. For the trip, it was 6 days. A regular bowl is not going to do the job. So we bought a smart pet feeder from Xiaomi, and it worked really well when we went out. This is the second generation. It says it has fixed some issues of the first gen, and overall, it is just better. This second gen is listed on their website, not on Amazon. The first gen sells at $149 US. This one may be a bit more expensive, I don't know. Now, in this video, let me tell you about the good and bad about this product. Okay, if you're new here, my name is Will, and this is Tiger. I've been doing tech review for several years now. You may recognize me from another channel. If you do, thank you, appreciate that. And now I've just started to grow my own channel, share my thought and experience about the products I have personally owned and used. If you like my content, please hit the like button for me and the Tiger, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Overall, this smart feeder is not big. It is 37 by 22 by 32 centimeters, basically just half the height of a regular 75 centimeters tall desk. I put it beside my desk right here so I can watch him eat, and also it is the closest to the power. It can hold 5 liters of food, approximately 2.5 kg of food as it stated. This October is the first month that this feeder has been used as a full month, so we have enough data. So this month, Tiger has been eating 60 to 90 grams per day. So based on that, it can support at least 30 days for sure. Quite enough for a cat if you should be away for a week or so. There's a window at the front, so you can have a peek of how much food is left there. And the container can be taken off the unit for cleaning. Now, there are some clever design on this machine, like there's a button on the cap, and only you as a human can press it down, then pull it up to open the container. I think this can make sure the cat won't be able to open it. Then the cap is sealed by rubber. There's a desiccant here, and it says the dispenser is also sealed by rubber, so it can always keep the food fresh. This patch of food I'm showing you here is in there for about 20 days, still crunchy and fresh. Now, this is a customized one, and we know it is consumable. Only available from Xiaomi if you want it to be perfectly compatible with this machine. For me, I just bought quite a few, and it is relatively cheap actually. Or maybe you can buy some regular ones from Amazon, then just find a way to stick it up there. I'm not sure about this option. Don't take my advice. There isn't weight inside of the container, so there isn't a way to know how much you have put inside. Then there's a roller. When it is time to get the food out, it rolls, then gives out precisely the amount you set. There isn't any camera or cat recognition feature on this machine. I don't need a camera on a pet feeder honestly, for 2 reasons. First, we tried to talk to him with the Xiaomi smart camera. He doesn't know a damn thing other than knowing the voice is around, no other reactions. 2, personally, I don't feel like watching him eat. I enjoy other interactions with him more. I do use the Xiaomi smart cam for some occasional check-in. My wife does it more than me actually. So if you're like me, this is enough for a single cat family. The bowl is made of food grade 304 stainless steel, safe and easy to clean. There's a weight built into the bowl, so the amount of food goes into it or the amount Tiger eats will be recorded. The number can be seen on the tiny screen above the bowl, and this is the new feature the first gen doesn't have. The base of the station has a fence wind up to lock the bowl, so when Pat is eating, the bowl won't move. Now the machine is powered in 2 ways. One is with the power cable. It is braided, so it won't be easily chewed up by the cat. And another is 4 AA batteries. This is for emergency power out. I think this is a very clever design, as the machine can be used no matter what happens. I haven't been able to test out how long the AA batteries can run, but it says it can last for 2 weeks without the grid. For now, let's just take their word for it. The cat food I'm currently feeding him is 2 types. One is a bit chunkier, one is smaller, but all smaller than this machine can handle, which is 12mm by 12mm max. There's a sticker on the cap with a ruler, so you can put the food on it, see if it exceeds the limitation. Currently, I've not seen the roller being jammed or anything, and I've weighed it several times. It can accurately give out the right amount. It says there's a mechanism inside to detect if there's any jam, then it will roll back to let the food come through. I haven't been able to test this, but we'll update it in the comment section if I have more experience in this. You can press the button on the machine to get more food out, and of course, the smarter way is using the app. This is the brilliant part. You can control and track data in the Mijia app. And I have the Xiaomi ecosystem deeply integrated in my home. As you can see, I name it Tiger's Ball because it is his ball. At the very top, you can see how much Tiger has eaten today and the progress of the diet schedule so far. If there isn't much food left in the bowl, you can press this button to get more food out, one portion at a time. Beneath it, there's the log of Tiger's meal during the day. So to make everything automated, I set 3 meals a day, portions 3, 2, 2, time point 8 a.m., 12 a.m., 9 p.m., 70 grams in total, because I set it at 10 grams for one portion. I haven't seen any meals missed, so it is reliable. Next is checking how much food he ate every day. As you can see, he pretty much ate them all every day. That is what we want. Not too much, not too less. And there's a low consumption alert, so if the cat is not eating enough for a few days in a row, this is an alert. There are some other automations, like if you set it when you come home, it gives some food, but I don't feel that there's a need for any other automations other than just schedule the meal every day. One thing to know though, this machine is not in Google or Apple ecosystem. You can only use it with the Xiaomi Mijia app. Okay, this is pretty much all the features of the Xiaomi Smart Pet Feeder 2. My experience is based on about 2 months of use, so I wouldn't be able to fully test how it works in the long run. Some features like how it works when the power from the grid is out, how the dispenser wears, those sort of stuff, I will update those info when the time is right. Other than those, I think it is a machine that is reliable, easy to use, and very good for a single cat family. It should very much be priced above $100, I think, maybe above $149, which is the first gen's current price. The value, I think, still lies in the Xiaomi ecosystem, at least for me it is. Now, this is my first time owning a pet. I'm still learning to be a good parent to Tiger. If I have not been anything right in this process, please let me know in the comment section. Appreciate it. Thanks and peace. Tiger. Tiger.